Moment of truth, I must say these products are not kidding around. Big shout out to that Strengthplex bond repair technology. Whatever it's doing, it's working. Hello everyone, today is an extremely exciting day because I am starting a new hair care journey. So I am doing a 4-week road test of the Toni Guy Strengthplex bond repair range, which bodes really well for me because I don't hate my curling iron, and I also get a bit of help in the whole being blonde department, which results in heaps of dryness and damage. Shout out to bleach. So anything that can help with repairing and hydrating and strengthening my hair is always welcome. It's exactly what this guy says he can do. So let's see how we go. All right, I've just washed and blow dried after using the shampoo and the conditioner. There's a mask as well, but I'm gonna see what these two can do by themselves first. It definitely feels softer and smoother since the wash, but it's a bit soon to tell strength-wise.
The products are actually loaded with Kakadu plum, an Aussie ingredient which is super rich in vitamin C. Gotta love that.
So week 1, to sum up, soft, silky, smells like a smoothie. We're off to a good start. Okay, we're in week 2. I've washed it twice this week using the mask as well, which I love. It's so velvety and feels super hydrating. And honestly, I am starting to feel a bit of a difference moisture and frizz reduction wise especially. It also seems like less breakage is happening whenever I brush, curl, etc., which is great. My hair is usually split end central though, so I'm a big oil person. This one's got the same Kakadu plum in it, but it's also loaded with jojoba oil, which is amazing for sealing up some of that dreaded damage without weighing it all down. I usually use it straight out of the shower on damp ends, and then I'll work some through whenever I'm blow drying or styling as well, just to get a bit of extra sheen going. Welcome to my bathroom. This is of course where all the washing magic happens. So we're on wash 2 of week 3, and I feel like we're looking pretty good softness and shine wise, especially considering we're definitely edging toward the dirty stage. Like the mask has made a massive difference as well, so very impressed. Speaking of, I wanted to run you through my favorite ways to apply it. So I'll either do it in the shower and just rinse it out after 5 minutes, or a haunting rendition of Celine Dion's My Heart Will Go On, or like tonight I'll sleep in the mask. So I'll just take it through slightly damp hair from mid-lengths to ends, leave it in overnight, tied up, and then it has extra time to work its hydrating, strengthening magic. Alright, end of week 4. I must say these products are not kidding around when it comes to those hydrating, strengthening, repairing claims. My hair feels softer and stronger to the touch for sure, but there's also less split ends, less damage, and it feels more hydrated overall, so something glorious is going on beneath the surface as well. Big shout out to that Strengthplex bond repair technology. Whatever it's doing, it's working, which is very damn impressive considering the products are all less than 20 bucks each, and I feel like you'd usually have to shell out a lot more cash than that to get any kind of treatment at the salon. The best part in my book though is that these products can actually help with long-lasting protection against future damage. So as long as I keep washing and masking and dousing my hair in the oil, which won't be hard considering the smell, I can keep up all of my bleaching and curling bad habits without my hair looking or feeling sad. Win-win.